Hi, I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt, here to show you how to smoke some dadgum good barbecue using the 30-inch digital electric smokehouse. Now today, I'm smoking a 4.5 to 5 pound pork bone-in Boston butt. What you want to do is take your favorite dry rub, completely coat all sides of the Boston butt, place it in a plastic bag, add 1 cup of mustard, put it in the refrigerator overnight to marinate all of those dry seasonings and that mustard into the pork roast. Now I've got our Boston butt on the bottom rack. That's important because anytime you add new raw food to a smoker, always place it below the other food so that it doesn't drip down onto what you already have prepared. Now this Boston butt has been on the smoker for 5 hours, 1 hour per pound at 225 degrees, and we've added smoked wood chips about every hour for that smoke-infused flavor. If you like sliced pork, this one is ready to go. Today I'm doing a pulled pork slider, so I want to wrap that Boston butt, put it back on the smoker, and continue the cooking process for about another couple of 3 hours until the internal temperature goes from 165 to 195 to get those pulled pork results. Now it's time to check out our results. Again, we have wrapped this Boston butt in aluminum foil, which allows the internal temperature to rise to 195, giving us those pulled results without drying out your barbecue. And this, you're going to see, is why this recipe is so amazing. When you know your Boston butt is ready, when you can pull that bone out, okay, look how tender, look how juicy. That is why that is dadgum good pulled pork. As you can see, Masterbuilt has made smoking simple. If you want more information and some great recipes, check us out at masterbuilt.com.
If you love authentic barbecue, complete with the smoky smell and fall off the bone tenderness, but think that making it yourself is a challenge, you need to get to know the new digital smokers from Char-Broil. We've been innovating outdoor cooking for over 65 years and have learned about the features you need to barbecue with confidence. Smarter smoking. Get peace of mind and watering of mouth, knowing that your food is perfectly cooked with our removable and washable temperature probe. Set and forget. Our electric element provides consistent heat, while the generously sized wood chip box lets you load once for up to 8 hours of smoke. Spend more time with the guests and less with the smoker. Intuitive controls. We've designed digital controls you'll understand instantly. Plus, they'll alert you when your food is done and keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Functional interior. All the thoughtful details inside make cooking carefree and easy. Configure the grates for whatever you're cooking in seconds, and cleaning up is a snap with our side access grease tray. There are 2 options to pick from, both with the same great features. The Deluxe model has a window door and light, and a remote control so you get an even better idea of how it's going. The new Char-Broil digital smokers are smart and easy additions to anyone's outdoor cooking arsenal. We put in all the work to make it easy for you to focus on the flavor. So live it up.
Hi, I'm John McLemore here to tell you all about the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker. You'll achieve competition-ready results in your own backyard without any hassle. Simply plug the smoker in, set the digital controls, and it does the work. Digital controls allow you to turn the smoker on and off, set the temperature and the time. Integrated thermostat temperature control provides even, consistent smoking. This smoker is fully insulated, locking in the heat and smoke, allowing you to smoke year-round. 4 chrome-coated smoking racks give you plenty of room for smoking all of your favorite recipes. There's a water bowl which is great for adding moisture and flavor and catching excess drippings. It has a removable drip pan for easy cleanup. The patented wood chip loader allows you to add wood chips without ever opening the smoker door. There's no need for special pucks or pellets. Just simply add 1 small handful of your favorite wood chips. The air damper controls the amount of smoke for flavor and moisture. Masterbuilt has made smoking simple. For more information, check us out at masterbuilt.com.